Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Diamond Painting by Nat. Just a little update on what for you to expect in the future. I started working on this beautiful kit, Lori in the Jungle, from a Russian company, Mosfa. It is well known in Russia and super popular. It is kind of like DAC in the United States. They are famous for good quality drills and also for the designer or even hand charted kits. So as you can see, this rendering is not color related. It's pretty hard to distinguish the objects on it, but that's what I love the most. On the one hand, it makes it very difficult to diamond paint because, again, it is not color related. For example, as far as I remember, this symbol, yellow 7, right, actually corresponds to pink color. So, and uh, the same with other colors, like this color corresponds, I think, this white symbol corresponds like to green color or something like this. So not color related whatsoever, but I love it. I know that for some people it's very hard to do it and they do not like it. I like the element of this of surprise. It's like doing the diamond painting from scratch, like doing it on the blank canvas. I love how it's turning out. I also like the detailization. It is very small, 40 by 30 centimeters. Super small diamond painting kit, yet it comes with 50 colors, and look at the perfect detailization. Of course, I'm not done with all of it, but for now, I love it. I see every single flower. I see every single petal on the flower. This is the parrot's Lori's parrot's tails. I can see every single feather on that tail. I love how it's turning out, and look at the sparkle. The camera doesn't show. I'm just trying to catch the angle to show it to you. Really beautiful. I love it. I was trying to find more kits from this company, but unfortunately this website is not working, artmosfa.com. It is problematic now to order something from Russia. I found this one on eBay. I found another Polish website. I posted it in my community. The problem with that Polish website is that they have kits, but they're not to my liking. The kits are nice, very beautiful, but it's just not to my liking. I prefer landscapes, and there are no landscapes over there. Um, a lot of people, couples, um, animals, etc., but no landscapes. So I will be waiting. Hopefully they will restock and get more kits, and then I will order it. And one more work in progress I want to show you is this unicorn from Diamond Dots. My daughter is working on it, and she replaced resin drills with the crystals here on the hair. So this is it for today. Just wanted to give you a short update on what I'm working on right now and how Mosfa kit is going. I love it. I really love it. Very beautiful. Like for me, detailization is the main thing, and it's turning out beautifully. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If any of you know where I can buy Mosfa kits, please let me know. I will be more than happy to purchase them. Bye.